Sweet potatoes.
Nope.
Today we're making
Bubur Chacha.
Here are the ingredients. We have yam. We have
Sweet potato.
tri-colored
sweet potato.
pandan leaf.
From my backyard.
And
Sago.
coconut milk, and most importantly, gula melaka from
Malacca.
Yeah.
Straight from the source.
Ta-da! So here we have our first pot, the main pot. We'll be cooking the sugar water. 1 liter of water. Oh, I think we might need more. It's too less. And we have our fresh pandan. Tie it into knots. Put it in, and then
Gula Melaka.
ta-ta!
Damn.
Now we're on a mission to chop our vegetables. Let's go! We have 80 grams of sago. And pour it in the boiling water and cook for 10 minutes.
Okay, it's after 10 minutes.
You can see the sago is like half cooked, and we have to let it steam in the water
hot water
for another 10 minutes.
for another 10 minutes. Okay.
Actual water, I'm just letting it cook in a low fire to render the taste of the pandan. Yay!
Smells really good.
Dice.
Nice. Sweet potatoes and yam.
And underneath we have the orange sweet potatoes down there, and we'll send it to steam for about 15 minutes.
And
Then
mix everything together.
in a big pot, and we're done. Yay!
Woohoo! Easy. Yeah, we are using a rice steamer. We're Asian household, you know what I'm saying?
So Nani, we're straining our sago.
Hopefully it's still visible because it's too bright. Overexposed. And we'll put it in ice cold water. Don't think you guys can see this, but
你拿过去靠近啊。
the sago. So next is the sweet potatoes and yam. Just seeing if we can poke through. It's mushy already. We'll be transferring it into the pot.
Now we'll be pouring all our steamed yam, potatoes, sweet potatoes.
Yep, that's me. You're probably wondering how I ended up in this situation.
Pouring all the yam, sweet potatoes in the big pot. It's a bit heavy, so you do it manually. And there,
Scoop by scoop.
scoop by scoop. And the differences, you see, mine, I cut the orange sweet potatoes. It was like huge. And then Adriel Tan diced it into smaller ones.
Chewy.
Hopefully it turns purple, like what I was looking forward to.
Which Allison was aiming for
Yeah.
a more purple outcome.
So we added like slightly more purple sweet potato. Stir. Let it simmer for about 5 minutes. The soup became slightly purple, but all our yam, because we chopped it too small, so it started to break down a little bit, but it's okay. I like it mushy. And last, adding 200 ml of coconut milk. Let's go in. Okay. Let it simmer a little bit, and then also a little bit of salt, just a little bit for it to be extra savory.
Okay, done.
Let it simmer first.
Simmer, and then later we will just put it in the fridge to cool it down for Bob's gathering at Bob's house later.
Our Bubur Chacha is done. We're resting it right now, and then we wanted to put it in the fridge to make it cold later after cooling it down. And then we also remove this. We remove the pandan leaves and add in the sago along later. Serving it tonight. Hopefully it's good enough.
Yes sir!
Yes sir! Ta-da! You see? 全部碎碎了，你切太小个了。